Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. So, Assalamu alaikum. This is Misbah Sajid and I welcome you all to my channel Talim for Everyone. So, as you all know that yesterday we have started with the topic parameter and area, section 12.2 from New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1, 8th edition. So, we are going to continue with this section. So, now let's proceed. Let's recall area and parameter. So what is basically area? The measurement of a space inside the shape, inside anything, or you can say that space occupied by any object using square units called as area. And what about parameter? Outer side boundary of any object or the measurement around the side of an object is called as parameter. Now let's proceed further. In this lecture, we are going to cover question number 5 of exercise 12A and question number 6 of exercise 12A. Right, now let's proceed. Sorry. Let's read the question first. Now, the perimeter of a rectangular field is 70 meter and its length is 15 meter longer than its breadth. The field is surrounded by a concrete path. As shown in the figure, find the area of the path. Now let's proceed. The perimeter of a rectangular field is 70 meter. Rectangular field, this is rectangular field. Right? This is rectangular field. What does rectangular field means? It is rectangular field. Field means open space, or you can say that open space or open land, and it is in rectangular form, so that is why it is rectangular open space or rectangular land. I hope so it's clear. This point is clear to everybody. Now moving further, it is mentioned that the parameter of this rectangular field is given, that is 70 meter. Parameter of rectangular field is given, that is 70 meter, and it is also mentioned that its length is 15 meter longer than its breadth. Let's suppose if this is breadth, in the same manner this is length, it would be denoted by L. So length is, it is mentioned that length is 15 meter longer than its breadth, means length is equal to 15 meter plus breadth. And what is this? 5 meter, 5 meter, 2.5 meter, 2.5 meter. Basically this is the distance as the same we have done in previous video. This is the distance, means top and bottom distance is 5 meter, right and left is 2.5, 2.5. Means distance between this rectangle, you can say that this is a larger rectangle and this is the rectangular field. So the distance between larger outer rectangle and the inner one is basically gap. So these gaps are mentioned that top and bottom is 5 meter, 5 meter, and right and left is 2.5 meter and 2.5 meter. Okay, let me erase it and write it clearly. This is basically rectangular field. Its area, sorry, its parameter is given, that is 70 meter, and this is its breadth, and this one is length, that is equal to 15 meter plus breadth. And what we and the field is surrounded by a concrete path. This gray portion is concrete path, means you can say that, you can assume that path that can be used to walk or run, right? sorry, running path you can say. So the field is surrounded by a concrete path as shown in the figure, and we have to find the area of this portion. So for this we need to find, first we have to find the area of this larger rectangle, and then we need to find the area of this rectangular field, right? So first try to find the area of rectangular field. So parameter of rectangular field is given, that is 70 meter, right? And here we have assumed that you can say that let the breadth of rectangular field be small b, right? And so in this way, and length would be 15 meter plus b, right? And we know that parameter of rectangle is 2l plus w, means parameter of rectangle is 2 into L plus W. So you can assume that this is parameter of rectangular field formula, that is equal to 2L plus W, and parameter of rectangular field is given, that is 70 meter. Now equate them. So 70 meter is equal to 2L plus W, or right? So what next is, you can replace L by 15 meter plus B and capital B by small b. Two would be shifted over there, so 70 divided by 2 would be 35 meter, and it is equal to 15 meter plus 2b. 15 would be shifted towards there, so 2b is equal to 35 minus 15. I am going to do one step, means I am going to subtract one step over here. So 35 minus 15, 15 would be shifted over there, so 2b is equal to 35 minus 15 would be 20 meter. So in this way b is equal to 2 would be shifted over there, so 20 divided by 2 would be 10 meter. So b is equal to 10 meter. Hopefully it's clear to everybody. Now next is this is b, that is breadth, means breadth is 10 meter. Now length we have to find, that is 15 meter, and b we have just found, that is 10 meter, right? 10 meter. So in this way length would be 10 plus 15 would be 25 meter. So b is 10 meter and length is 25 meter. This way we have just found length. Right, now area of rectangular field is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. So length is 25 meter and breadth is b. So area of rectangular field is 25 10 meter. So area of rectangular field is equal to 250 meter. Hopefully this is clear to everybody. Now let me write these things in notes form over here because I need to rub it. length of rectangular field is equal to, and breadth of rectangular field is equal to 10 meter, and area of rectangular field is equal to 250 meters square, right? So this is breadth of rectangular field, that is 10 meter. So this is 10 meter breadth, and this is basically length, that is 25 meter. Now we need to find this length, sorry, this breadth and this length, right? This is, you can say that, bigger rectangle. So length of big rectangle, length of big rectangle is, if this length is 25 meter, so this would be 25 as well. So this is 25, then this portion, wait, meter, this is 22.5, so 25, 2.5, 2.55, and this is 25, 30 meter. And breadth of big rectangle is equal to, this is 10 meter plus this portion is, that means if this is 10, so this portion 5 meter top, and this is bottom 5, that is 20 meter. Now area of big rectangle is equal to 30 meter multiplied by 20 meter, 0, 0, 2 zeros, 3 2 is 6, 600 meter square. So area of big rectangle is 600 meter square. Now This is 10 meter, this is 25 meter. So in this way, this one would be 20 meter and this one would be 30 meter, right? So area of big rectangle is 600 meter and area of rectangular field inner rectangle is 250 meters. So we have to find the area of concrete path. So it means that area of concrete path CP is equal to area of big rectangle minus area of rectangular field, that is equal to 600 meter square minus 250 meter square. So area of concrete path. So area of concrete path would be nothing but let me show you calculation over here. This is the answer, right? Let's proceed. This is question number 6. This is quite easy, by the way. Let's read it. So question number 6 says that in the figure AB, in the figure this AB is 20 meter, BC is 21 meter, AD is 10 meter and DE is 10.5 meter. Find the area of this shaded region. So for this we need to first find the area of triangle ABC, and then we need to find the area of triangle ADE, and then we will subtract the area of smaller one from the bigger one, and then we will get the area of the shaded region. First see this. See this. This is a smaller triangle. Area of a triangle formula is 1/2 multiplied by B into H, right? Right? This is the formula that we are going to use. Now see, this is the height and this is the base. This is we cannot use this side as a base or height, because the side opposite to 90 degrees is always called as hypotenuse. So there is no use of hypotenuse in area formula, right? So we will use these two measurements in this. So area of triangle ADE, right? ADE is equal to 10 multiplied by 10.5 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, and 5 multiplied by 10.5, you will get 52.5. This is directly you can do. means 5 5s are 25. 2 carry 5 0 0, 2 as it is, 5 1 the 5 52. Then there is, if you see, there is one digit after decimal point, so 52.5. So area of triangle ADE is equal to 52.5. Right, now let's proceed further. If you see, this is a big triangle A BC. Now if you see, area of ABC is equal to, so this is the height and this is the base for this triangle. So 20 multiplied by 21 over 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 0 as it is. So it is equal to 10 multiplied by 21 is 210 meter square. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 210 meter square. Now we have to find area of a shaded region. So how can we find area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle ABC, means 210 meter square minus 52.5. This is 52.5 meter square. So you will get, let me solve it over here. So point and 0 you can take, so this would be 10, then 9, 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7. So area of shaded region is equal to 157.5 meter square. Right, this way we can solve these type of questions. So I hope so you understood the concept of question number 5 and 6 from exercise 12a. Now stay tuned for further interesting and informative video based on the same exercise. So see you inshallah in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Bye bye.